line to adding on any of, like if you are having, for instance, the booking a profile from your clients, you can able to put the note on a profile for your clients, like say Nancy and I size all of different sizes and different length and different shape. So then next time the clients come in, or when the kind of clients is ready to getting the new set, you have all the number in there. You don't have to size it again. You just like, you know exactly coffin medium, I need size whatever. So it's gonna be a left and it's gonna be a right hand and left hand. And there are 8 different total of 8 different, you know, shape and the length for the Glitz Insert Gel Extension to have them all. So today I'm going to do a coffin long, and my pinky, it will be number 10, rings finger number 6, the middle finger is number 5, and then on the index finger number 6, and then the thumbs is number 1. This is a left hand and then there's a right hand. So I just already look in the chart and pull it out. This is one of the way that if you don't want to have any in put on your phone or anything, I have it put it on the chart for the clients in the profile when they come in for the appointment. So but if you want to have the basic like this, you definitely can do it for the clients as well, and can add it on for the clients. And then this is the information you can add the clients and phone number or whatever it is. Just I want to show just a basic thing, so just in case you don't want to use on your phone or your profile for clients. Anyways, I have my size already, and I'm going to show you really quick how to size it. And then you'll make sure that clean all of dry manicure, push back the cuticle, remove all the dead skins and dead cuticles, everything that you need. And then you can able to pick up the size. There are 12 size. There's only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 slot, but there's 12 sizes because it's number 10 and number 11 are in the same slot. And our tip is made of really high quality of the material, so when you bend it, there's no white marks on it at all whatsoever. So this is what help not only adhere so well and keep the nails on the clients, you know, like this tips on the clients nail last 4 weeks plus, and it will last so long, durable, and it's not flimsy at all. So make sure you place it closer right in the, push it back in the cuticles, and then make sure it's from the side wall to the side wall. If you feel like it's a little bit gap like this, I would suggest to go a little bit bigger, one side bigger, to make sure that you don't miss any edges of the nails, because if you do, then it's really high chance of it getting really breaking between the on the nails right here. Okay, so I have all of them sized already, and I'm using coffin longs, and it's 600 tips. So if you are getting this from doing for your clients, it give you a proper approximate about good between like 50 set to 60 set, you know. Or if the clients are feeling exactly the same, it's a 12 sizes, which is half size, so then it's really easy for you to size it, and then you pretty much can get it really well.